Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your Typeform embed code for your card website. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to have your Typeform appear on your card website. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to your Typeform account, then click on the form that you want to go ahead and embed. Next, you want to click on Share. Then on the left-hand side, you want to go ahead and click on Embed in a web page. Then click on New Embed, and then click on Start Embedding. Now this is where you could actually go ahead and copy the code for your Typeform form. I normally click on General Embeds on the drop-down menu. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and get your Typeform embed code for your card website. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.